Action verbs. The children go to school. Please come here. I see a bird. Can you hear that sound? The baby eats apple sauce. We drink water. The dog sleeps on the floor. Sit down, please. Stand up, style. He walks to the store. The kids run in the park. They talk on the phone. He say hello. I give you a present. Take this book. Put the toy away. Open the door. Close the window. I like ice cream. I want a cookie. I wash my hands. He cleans the table. Can you help me? The children play games. I read a story. He writes a letter. He draws a picture. We cook dinner. They watch TV. Listen to the music. The frog jumps. Fish swim in the water. He throws the ball. He catches the ball. Push the door. Pull the rope. Stand forward. watching. Subscribe friends.